what you just witnessed was the making of a bull billet by hand. Um, on all honesty, I don't typically like to axe out billets too much because they're large and cumbersome, and um, I feel more probability for accident if you don't know what you're doing. Um, so I actually prefer to run it through my bandsaw, and then you get that nice circular shape, and then turn it over, and then just axe off around and down away, creating that bowl form. That's how I usually like to do it. But bandsaw is down right now, and it only forces me to practice a little bit more in terms of using the axe for bowls and things like that. So that's what you saw. I'm going to actually continue the process, and I'm going to turn it the rest of the way. I'm not going to leave you like that. All right, there's the mandrel from the bowl, all said and done. Here's the bowl. What happened? Explanation, here we are. So as I was turning it, it was mounted like this, and turning it sort of back and forth on the outside. What you do is you come across and you make your passes with your knife. There was a knot that was right here, and basically I felt that if I turned it thin enough, I would turn through it, thus eliminating it, having a smaller bowl, but just getting rid of that. But I kept turning and turning and turning the outside and making it thinner and thinner. And basically what had happened was it was just unstable in around here. And when at one point the hook caught it, it literally just ripped off the entire wall and cracked all the way through. And you can see it's actually starting to crack even further all the way through. So when you get bowls like this, it's a learning experience. You can learn. I was very thin in and around here, which I should dial back on a little bit. Overall, I enjoyed the shape, but it was not the shape I was actually trying to shoot for. I was trying to do something a little bit more bulbous and not so sort of squashed like this. I'm not sure what style in history this is from, but it's something. Definitely enjoyed it, but that's basically it. Thanks for sticking around. It's been a fun video. It took me probably about 2 months to shoot it. I have no idea why. It's essentially because we just had moved, and it's just growing the kids, and that being #1 responsibility next to work. So I'm thankful that you're all here. Please check out my other videos as well too, and there's going to be more coming up on my journey in bowl turning, and hopefully the next one's not going to break. Take care.